Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be going over the Quadratic Factorisation 2 video where we're going to be working with quadratics which have negative numbers in them. Now with question 1 and 2, we obviously went over, or not obviously, but we went over a basic starting video, so I will leave that link down below if you want to check that out. I'm going to go over question 1 and 2 now. So a bit like the first video, we need to work with this number at the end. Now we don't need to take into account whether it's negative or not, just a number, and we need to work out all the pairs that times together to make 8. So we have 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. Obviously we would have 4 times 2 and 8 times 1, but it doesn't matter what order you're times in them, we're just worried about the pairs. So our two pairs are 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. Now what is important now to take into account is adding to make this. So we need to pick a pair of numbers that can be added or subtracted to make minus 2x. So a bit like the process in the first video, except in this one we're going to have negatives. So obviously if we work with 2 and 4, we could do minus 4 plus 2 because that would give us minus 2x. And the 4 and the 2 are going to end up times in an x, so we'd be working with a 4x and a 2x once you times that out if you want to take it from factored back to the original question. So we've decided we have 2 and 4, so the answer is going to be x minus 4 times x plus 2. You can also write that the other way around with x plus 2 times x minus 4. So hopefully that made sense. If it didn't, check out the first video or leave any comments or question link down below. Now, if you want to give it a go yourself, try question 2 and you can pause the video, but I'm going to be going for it now anyway. So question number 2 is x squared minus 7x plus 12. So we're going to be using a similar technique, obviously. Work out all the pairs of number which times together to make 12. So 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Obviously, we don't have to worry about repeated pairs. Now we need to think which pairs of numbers can we use to make minus 7x. So 1 and 12 isn't going to work. 2 and 6, we could get minus 2 and minus 6, which is minus 8, but I think the correct answer is going to be 3 and 4 because we can do minus 3 and then minus 4, so that will be minus 7 or minus 7x. So the answer is going to be x minus 3 times x minus 4. Now if you do have any comments or questions about how I got to that bit, just leave them down below. And if you ever want to check your answer once factorizing, you can just times out the brackets and it should get you back to the original question. So best of luck with all your maths and thanks so much for watching the video.